Second regular session of the 13th Sangguniang Bayan to order. Please rise for invocation to be led by Honorable Joel Ortiz.
Lord, dalangin mo kami mo karasi asisyon pagkakunta ang pagkalaw ng mga Espiritu na pagkadiya na ang kanunay. Hindi mo kami hatagan mo mga mayong panguna para sa aming lusod sa kabaranggayan. Hindi tahan Ginoo ang salit pinakakili Kristo ng Ginoo. Amen. Is he great? I am a blessed daughter of the divine Lord.
Can we ask the acting SB Secretary to roll call members?
Municipal Vice Mayor Attorney Anthony Humawid and official business, Councilor Joel Picatis, Councilor Precious Joy Baguio, elected presiding officer,
Present.
Councilor Sixto Dano, Councilor Marvin Pancho, Councilor Ronald Dampo, Councilor Gigi Palipod, OIC Mayor, Councilor Candido Salces, Councilor Segundo Bautista, Councilor Ian Bernades, Councilor Ralph Russell Daquis. 10 members are present and 1 in official business.
Well, with 10 members present and 1 member on official business, the chair declares it quorum. Reading of minutes of the TV session. Honorable Bautista is recognized. There is a motion by Honorable Bautista to dispense the reading of minutes, seconded by Honorable Pancho. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is carried. Honorable Bautista. There is a motion by Honorable Bautista to adopt, seconded by Honorable Bernades and Salces, to adopt the minutes of the previous session. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is carried. Privilege hour. Question hour. First reading.
Endorsement from the LCE related to the proposed schedule for issuance of permits, business permits, and motor taxi operators permits.
Can you please further read the content of the proposed schedule?
Business permits to be issued annually from January 21 to February 20 of every calendar year, and motor taxi or taxi operators permits to be issued annually from February 21 to March 20 of every calendar year. The adoption of this schedule is intended to streamline the processing of permits, ensure adequate time for assessment and compliance monitoring, and support local business and transport stakeholders in meeting their regulatory requirements in a timely manner. That's all, Ms.
So this pertains to the schedule of securing business permits and motor taxi operators permits. Okay, Councilor Daquis?
For the endorsement from NCA.
Okay, there's a motion by Councilor Daquis to sponsor the resolution with specific dates as read earlier. Any second? No second, no objections. Next.
Endorsement from the LCE requesting authority to enter into a contract of service for electricians Whelan Dumasig and Marlon Manla and Information Technologies Van Brydon S. Bartolata.
May you further read the content of the request, please?
From the LCE to respectfully request the esteemed Sangguniang Bayan to grant authority to the undersigned as the local chief executive to enter into a contract of service with the following individuals for the efficient delivery of essential technical services to the municipal government. Whelan Dumasig to render services as electrician, specifically for the maintenance, troubleshooting, and repair of electrical systems and installations in municipal buildings and facilities. Marlon Manla to render services as electrician, specifically for the maintenance, troubleshooting, and repair of electrical systems and installations in municipal buildings and facilities. And Van Brydon S. Bartolata to render services as information technologies, responsible for maintaining and securing the municipality's IT infrastructure, troubleshooting hardware and software issues, and providing technical support to all offices. These engagements are being made in response to the urgent need for technical support personnel and in the absence of available plantilla positions or qualified permanent staff for the said functions. The services shall be rendered under a contract of service arrangement for a period of 1 year, subject to renewal based on performance and necessity. Attached also is a draft for the contract of service. Madam Chair.
Thank you. Councilor Daquis?
Madam Chair, I move for the endorsement of the NCA.
There's a motion by Councilor Daquis. Councilor Bautista?
My opinion is an objections to the request because as I noticed, everybody noticed that electrician previously was only one. Pagkakaroon mo ng luha. So, umahin mo, mga tao na rason or comment from the accounting office or level of device.
Thank you. Since this is only performed through a resolution and not ordinance, since the motion by Councilor Daquis is valid, I can call the body for a second and as presiding officer, and we will take we will put your inputs as to no, Councilor Bautista. This is only an expression since this requires only a resolution. So since a resolution can be valid if there is a move-on and a second. So if Councilor Daquis is moving it, if there is second from the body, we will honor such resolution because it is a mere statement or expression. However, we will put in the annotation that you did not agree to such resolution. So may I ask if there is a second to Councilor Daquis' resolution? Seconded by Councilor Dato. Are there any objections aside from Councilor Bautista? Only Councilor Bautista is objecting. Thank you. The motion is carried. Next.
Endorsement from the LCE requesting the approval of the MDC Resolution Number 7, Series of 2025.
Thank you. Can you please read the content of MDC Resolution Number 7, Series of 2025 for the information of the public?
In reference to a request for funding and support from the Department of Public Works and Highways and Honorable Congresswoman Christine Alexi Bitutor, we are pleased to submit to your good office for a resolution approving and endorsing the projects in the attached Municipal Development Council Resolution Number 7, Series of 2025, entitled A Resolution of the Municipal Development Council, Execom of the Municipality of Batuan, Bohol, favorably endorsing the proposed priority program, activities and projects to the Department of Public Works and Highways, Regional Office 7, and the Central Visayas Regional Development Council for inclusion in the Regional Development Investment Program for fiscal year 2027 DPWH budget proposal.
Can you proceed with the details as to the specified items, please?
We have the programs, activity or project. So for the Network Development Program, road widening, tertiary roads, Balilihan to Hanopol Batuan Road, located in Poblacion Vieja, Batuan, Bohol, with an amount of 59,400,282. And Basic Infrastructure Program, access roads or bridges from the national road leading to major strategic public buildings and facilities, development or improvement of core local access road, concreting of Batuan Circumferential Road Project, Poblacion Sur to Poblacion Norte, Batuan, Bohol, location Poblacion Sur and Poblacion Norte, 45 million. Core local access road, concreting a farm to market access road from Kang Angel to Quezon, location Poblacion Sur and Quezon, 65 million. Number 3, concreting of Batuan to Valencia, Kabaknitan to Marawis, Provincial Road, Batuan, Bohol, location Kabaknitan, 175 million. Number 4, development or improvement of core local access road, concreting of Poblacion Norte to Quezon Access Road, Batuan, Bohol, location Poblacion Norte, 65 million. Number 5, development or improvement of core local access road, concreting of Aloha to Behind the Clouds Access Road with construction of bridge, location at Aloha and Behind the Clouds, 180 million. Concreting of Cantigdas to Sitio Cadillong Road, Cantigdas, Batuan, location Cantigdas, 45 million. Concreting of Hanlod Rosariohan Access Road, Batuan, Bohol, location Hanlod and Rosariohan, 45 million. Concreting of Santa Cruz Aloha Core Local Access Road, Santa Cruz, Batuan, Bohol, 45 million. Concreting of Santa Cruz Camanagion Core Local Access Road, Santa Cruz, Batuan, Bohol, 45 million. Concreting of Rosariohan Bajong Road, Rosariohan, Batuan, Bohol, 45 million. Concreting of Purok City Kabaknitan Access Road, Kabaknitan, 15 million. Concreting of Barangay Garcia Access Road going to Sitio Suba, 85 million. Concreting of Hanlod Access Road, location Hanlod and Rosariohan, 30 million. Concreting of Rosariohan Rizal Road via Sitio Bugnayan, Rosariohan, 40 million. Concreting of Aloha Santa Cruz Road, Aloha, Batuan, Bohol, 20 million. Improvement of core local access road, concreting of access road from Quezon to Bugang to Kang Angel, Poblacion Sur, 20 million. Improvement of core local access road, concreting of Sitio Bunlak, Barangay Quirino Road, 20 million. Improvement of core local access road, concreting of Poblacion Vieja Access Road, 25 million. Improvement of core local access road, concreting of Purok Trastudos, Poblacion Norte Access Road, 15 million. Construction of concrete bridge including approaches at Barangay Aloha connecting Barangay Behind the Clouds, 150 million. Improvement of core local access road, concreting of Barangay Rizal Access Road, 25 million. Construction or maintenance of flood mitigation structures and drainage systems. Construction of box culvert along Balilihan to Hanopol to Batuan Road, location Rosariohan, 3 million. Construction of drainage system, flood control from Poblacion Sur to Cantigdas to Quirino to Hanlod, Batuan, Bohol, location Poblacion Sur, Cantigdas, Quirino and Hanlod, 50 million. For the basic infrastructure program, multi-purpose buildings, facilities to support social services. Construction of multi-purpose building, covered court, Poblacion Sur, Batuan, Bohol, 10 million. Rehabilitation of Barangay Hall, Barangay Poblacion Sur, Batuan, Bohol, 10 million. Construction of multi-purpose building, covered court, Poblacion Norte, Batuan, Bohol, 10 million. Construction of multi-purpose building, Kabakitan, Batuan, Bohol, 5 million. Construction of multi-purpose building, covered court, Barangay Quezon, Batuan, Bohol, 5 million. Construction of multi-purpose building, covered court, Barangay Garcia, Batuan, Bohol, 5 million. Construction of multi-purpose building, covered court, Barangay Cantigas, Batuan, Bohol, 5 million. Construction of multi-purpose building for Cambacay, 5 million. Construction of multi-purpose building, covered court, Rosariohan, 5 million. Construction of Barangay Health Station, Cambacay, Batuan, 5 million. Construction of daycare center and Aloha, 5 million. Construction of evacuation center, location Hanlod, 5 million. Construction of barangay daycare center and barangay health station, Poblacion Norte, Batuan, Bohol, 5 million. Construction of multi-purpose building, covered court, evacuation center rather, Poblacion Vieja, Batuan, Bohol, 5 million. Improvement of municipal water works system, level 3, Batuan, Bohol, LGU Batuan, 25 million. Improvement of Rizal waterworks system, level 3, Rizal Batuan, Bohol, 5 million. With a total of 1,557,400,282.
Thank you.
Billion.
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 1 billion.
1,557,400,282.
Thank you. The LC is requesting for the approval of the MPC resolution. Councilor Salces.
I look for the approval of the MGC resolution number 07-2025, and it should be but one goal.
There's a motion by Councilor Salces, seconded by Honorable Bernardes.
Mas.
Last second, are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is carried. Committee report. None. Calendar of business. Other matters, Councilor Batis.
Annual budget, SP Barangay Santa Cruz. I-endorse ang committee. Oh, to committee. Endorsement for review. Santa Cruz na Rizal Santa Cruz sa balik.
There's a motion by Councilor Batis to endorse the committee the submitted Santa Cruz SP 2026 annual budget. It's been to be reviewed by the Committee on Rules, Laws, and Privileges and SK. Is it in SK? Rules, Laws, and Privileges, Honorable Danfog Bautista and Baguio. For the Youth and Sports Development, Honorable Dakis, Pancho, and Bernardes. Other matters,
Yes, sir.
Honorable Pancho.
I move resolution recognizing Gisil Bana, Gasoso, finally Olympic champion, rookie player, Adamson University Softball Team UEP season softball tournament.
There's a motion by Councilor Pancho to give recognition to Jesse Bana from Poblacion Sur for his softball participation in the recent UAAP season.
Madam Chair, di ba naman tayo?
Wait lang. Any second?
Sige.
Seconded. Second.
Di ba naman tayo ordinansa na kung makakuha sa medal, doon na tayo incentive nga ihatag kita sa Luzon?
Kailangan na ako ba siya medal or more participation? Participation. Hindi, UAAP. Pero ang ato ang good is kanang na kami race. First, second, or third. Kini recognition na raised by Councilor Pancho, kanang recognition kay national team o national level. Pero basin din po, kung na lang, basin din po nakakuha ang podium finish. Yung first, second, or third.
Madam Chair,
Councilor Dano,
morning.
morning.
Atong gang resolution asa ko ibutang ang address ito ana. Kaya kana mga pamilya gagmay ba na nalakaw na. Way na kailangan.
Councilor Pancho, to enlighten Councilor Dano's statement, asa na ito address? Asa na ito i-receive? Yun sa man ka, yun sa iyo pag-imbangan.
Ano naman sa chair, marang naibawal sa resolution sa people ang panpo kung mais. Pero nakaibawal sa resolution nga mga nakalistan yan.
So ECC na lang mag-copy furnish to the barangay officials sa sewer. And then,
President, Madam Chair, ang gusto rin mo Madam Chair, bata pa na. Ang nakailangan natin alin ay nakailog mo para bata. Kaya mga grade 2, grade 3 na ang laka ng mga ginikana dito. Gusto alam na nila, diyan ka na. Tulo ng previous sa mga na yung champion sa Asia. Nagkaroon magkaroon po, appeal ako na sa Asia.
ang atong means of kanang resolution, di ba na resolution i-post na sa Facebook, no? Sa SB. So, kada siya, aside from i-receive na
Madam Chair,
sa
ang question natin, asa na address? Ito mahimong address at ito. Rason.
kuan man siya, a resolution recognizing. So, i-message na lang. Through mail. Councilor Dan, there's ang atong standard procedure as per our acting SP secretary is email. So, secure na lang sila sa sewer o sa contact details. Unless na ay nakalibaw, ato diri kanang asa na po yun para easier na lang sa doang staff para mo snail mail, post mail. So i-post mail na to para maabot sa tagdungon, but also copy furnish the kanang production sewer para aware. And also, maybe our marketing team or atong mayor's office will be furnished para magamaan siya o add sa atong mga LED. Kaya recognition, ang details sana. So ito ang nanahana. Mura na ito isa sa tagabakuan sa social media nga mura English sa nasyon. Si Lin. Yung champion siya. Wala po. Thailand, number 1 siya. Mura different countries ang i-compete. So,
Asa ko ron.
Thailand.
Karon sa Thailand pa rin karon.
Thailand po rin ron. Yapin na lang. Yapin. Kinsa may mo-sponsor? Mas? Dito, kaya nakakita ko po yung finish. Thailand eh, ito. Ano nagiging sa Thailand mo? Very progressive na kaya sila. Other matters?
Ano ba? Tuhod na eh.
Councilor Davis? There's a motion by Councilor Davis to adjourn, seconded by Councilor Pancho. No objection, session is adjourned.
Tuhod na pre, tuhod.
Like, ano, kabuki ko, let's say, Edmond